I attended research meeting cooperation between Applied Science University and Chinese Academy of Sciences. My conference paper is Study of Resource Environmental Economics Model based on hyperbolic sine function. I'm the author of GUOFU. In order to explore stability of resource environmental economics model, the author proposes a research on stability of resource environmental economics model based on hyperbolic sine function. The method recommends key technical problems and solutions based on information represented by hyperbolic sine functions, and explores research on stability of resource and environmental economics models. Research has shown that research on stability of resource environmental economics model based on the hyperbolic sine function is about 21 more efficient than the traditional method. By ensuring smooth acceptance of spillover technologies in traditional industries, it will stimulate a wave of innovation in the whole society. This can not only promote economic development but also have important significance for human survival and protection of natural resources. Thank you.